cingki cingma.
Pini bangke first visit pulo, lasi first visit Meghalaya lapen asama sokar atom lata ini lo. Lasong bang ben puthot meeting do tu lang. Sedami sialam lang do. Jongsi kumane atom hopu Meghalaya ben ladak asam na kedo aninghang lapen asama alu. Kedo tum jongsi Meghalaya aninghang kedo aninghang boleh lang tuman khang tahun ibu la soal lama ke ninduk lo lama ke nil tu mereka cekroy don dekte. We have our own constitutional boundary which the both state government have to accept. If the both governments doesn't accept the constitutional boundary which we have right now, it will create a ruckus, and as we have already experienced that there have been many sporadic incidents around here, and it can escalate in the further in the coming days. Now our concern is if our land is if our land will be transferred to Meghalaya, then I can sure say that the situation will get worse, and it might be the same situation like in Manipur, and we are afraid of the lives of our people and the properties of our people. So I once again request both the government to just stick by the constitutional boundary which we existingly have. Thank you.
Kedam tang piyush Hazarika penso tasi HT minister tum la pilar ke som tang ponang kahumri la pen so non anta tiar jedet la so kuthan alihin ben pipuji.
Labang I don't think that there is a boundaries issue. Our boundaries are clear. There is no boundary issues out here. The people out here in Khanduli, they are encroachers. I would say they are encroachers. I can clearly mention that. And Khanduli belongs to Karbi Anglong and belongs to Assam. This is clear.
Can you tell what area you claim that Khanduli belongs?
You can just refer to the constitutional boundary which we have. It's notified. It's not that we are claiming. This is not claiming. We are not claiming. This is a notified boundary. This is a notified boundary which we have.
Yes. Means you are against this meeting also?
We are not against this meeting because we need peace. Yes. There are many violence that has happened, and we are afraid that this sort of violence doesn't happen in coming days. So, like for building a peace in this area, in the bordering area, the notified constitutional boundaries should be accepted and should be maintained. That's all.
Just now, Alvin sir have already expressed that 21,000 people of Khasi-Panar have been living here peacefully with the people of Karbi Anglong. And at the same time, 20,000 people living in Meghalaya, in Marmi and other parts of Meghalaya. So what do you say that?
We have accepted our Khasi brothers, Garo brothers and Jaintia brothers who are living in Karbi Anglong as our own. They are the citizens of Karbi Anglong. We have no problem with that. We live with them, we love with them, we play with them, we cry with them. There is no problem with that. But the issue is about the land. And everyone should know that land is very serious issue.
Thank you. Hazarika lang li ke bang pen kopi aning ke the nang li do la pen ko an kichun jang thai do.
Itu madim si amiting itu. Lalu itu minister tadi dah. Council pe lefana si tahu dulu bangke. Council dalam ada explain dulu. Council of view bangsi, ka explain dulu. Council of view ke rata view. Itu ke insi si itu. Itu ke 1951 anengkan notification kita boundary si kroy. Itu hin pen ke hang, mereka hang dawe. Bangsi itu mana wang ora. Lasi council anak tu pen ke, ya tu ke la constitution boundary 1951 definition ipi la so teng se tu ke otip athe ke la so same boundary 1969 ta publication thule lo Meghalaya as autonomous state kising hu hala bangsu ta jok che pudunde Meghalaya pa lana pangton ke ong lana MLA ke ong lana minister ke ong jok che pudunde jok lo busi puthot full fledged state ipi 1971 hala bangsu ta la bangsu boundary bangke notification pichule hala bangsu ta jok che pudunde apa kon batai kit home claim de la phike jok che puduna bang de report la bang so boundary ke thir lo kente la si la so boundary phansi kar bang la re chini ala ben ke landa khelam pidang unity bang ke le tum dong de athe la ke border sor phan le kapasik sakso kali khelam pidang je program dar karbiang long ta constituency ner kemelong bang suring ko rai si tumang do Meghalaya ta rom troke bra pikar bido
Hala video clip and that
lasir ladak kupine
alam tuma body language in continue lo non only nadak lokal atum khotpak kham khawer potse khanduli ba PCR ke pidan na pu hai hacham dalang tum ki krem ke dama otado body language pen kini lo atum ke kipikan tum lo athama pini penelison na mai ki dun long patah ni lo Tadi krep fi Hachilong first regional committee meeting Pinewood Hotel convention hall long tara sonsi dulo kala dakta latula sonsi wilo lada karbiang long pen khasi penar korte duman hang kone karbiang long karbiang rong asar mungkin ditahan he seni hadak kudulo lake injustice lo lake oinai lo itu kan cumang tumarong kesar do karbi dorong sana hang he pil nasi lahai lang tuma order dulu ke krem dah order dulu sini lo lake lang tuma bangki ikan tum dulu ini dak lokal itu khot pagawer kham khewer pusi openly non mati puhai lasine tumke aprang de pulo itu ke Meghalaya pen border la ko ci bohong be de tumke long ita we nang pinang we have nothing to get and we keep anything to give we maintain our earlier stand that the constitutional boundary lines fixed in 1951 as per the recommendation of Boundary Commission. Kalabang se status quo ante se maintain. Laban lang tung claim Lone Block 2 ke historically belongs to Yantia Hills. This is not wrong. This is wrong. This is wide off the mark, like a chalk shaped pig law. Lone Block 2 belongs to Karbi Kingdom, which searching as its capital. Non da Karbi Ariso da Rongarak Sidulang. Kalima. Nah, sila ke historically da Karbi Mura toxic.